Hello, my little yogis. I'm so happy that you're with me today. Be sure to like this video and subscribe so you never miss a yoga playtime. Let's move, stretch, and feel amazing together. Ready? Let's go. Sit down comfortably, straighten your back like a tall bamboo stalk, and close your eyes. Imagine a tiny seed of light inside your heart. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel your body becoming very, very still. No moving, just breathing. Now let's grow. Stand up tall and reach for the sun. This is the bamboo reach. Interlace your fingers and push your palms toward the clouds. Stand so still that even a bird could land on your head. Keep your eyes fixed on one spot in front of you. This is how we build super focus. Breathe deep and grow taller with every breath. You are strong, steady, and focused. Time for the ultimate balance test, the Zen tree. Place your foot on your leg, not on the knee, and bring your hands together. Now, find a tiny speck on the wall and don't take your eyes off it. That's your focus point. If you wobble, imagine your roots going deep into the earth. You are a master of balance. Stay calm, stay quiet, and stay focused. You're doing it. Imagine you are a focusing falcon flying over our sanctuary. Lean forward, stretch one leg back, and spread your wings. Look straight down at the ground. Can you see a tiny pebble? Keep your eyes on it. Your mind is becoming sharp and clear. Keep your wings steady and your breath slow. You are soaring with focus. Hold your flight. Let's glide down to the ground. Lie on your tummy and lift your chest up. But wait, look at the Zen stone right between your hands. Don't look away. This is the calm cobra. While your body is strong, your eyes are steady. Feel the power in your back and the quiet in your mind. You are doing a wonderful job, hero. Breathe in the mist from the waterfall and relax. Let's become a steady stalk. Step 1 foot forward and reach your arms high. Now look up at your thumbs. This is where your focus lives. Imagine you are a thick bamboo stalk that even the strongest wind cannot move. Feel your legs getting powerful and your mind getting quiet. You are unbreakable. Hold your gaze and breathe. Lie on your back and lift your hips up to build a balancing bridge. Now look at your tummy. Watch it go up when you breathe in and down when you breathe out. Focusing on your breath is a real superhero skill. It calms your heart and clears your head. Keep your bridge high and your eyes on your breath. You're doing amazing. Ready for a challenge? Sit back into your invisible chair. This is the squatting scholar. Reach your arms forward and look right at your fingernails. It might feel a bit tough, but that's when your focus grows the most. Stay still, stay strong, and don't let your mind wander. You are a master of your own strength. Let's sharpen our focus like a needle. Balance on one leg and stretch your body out long. This is the pointed prayer. Bring your hands together and point them forward. Look right at your knuckles. If you wobble, just refocus your eyes. You are like an arrow aimed at its target. Stay sharp, stay balanced, and breathe deep. Incredible focus. Time to go inside our quiet space. Hug your knees tight and tuck your head in. This is the quiet crunch. Close your eyes and listen to the sound of the waterfall in our sanctuary. In this pose, there is no outside world. Only you and your calm breath. Relax your face, relax your eyes. You are recharging your super focus. Stay small and quiet. Let's test your supervision. Stand on one leg like a focused flamingo. Reach out and hold your toe, or just lift your leg high. Now, find a tiny leaf far away in the forest and don't take your eyes off it. This pose makes your legs strong and your mind even stronger. If you stumble, just smile and find your focus again. Steady now. Time to aim our energy. Spread your legs wide and reach for your ankle. This is the triangle target. Now look all the way up at your top thumb. Imagine your thumb is a glowing star. Keeping your neck turned and your eyes steady builds incredible brain power. Stay focused, keep your legs straight, and breathe like a hero. You're doing it. Can a butterfly sit still? Let's try. Sit on your bottom, grab your feet, and lift them up. This is the balancing butterfly. Don't let your feet touch the floor. Look right at your big toes. This pose is all about finding that quiet center inside you. Flap your wings a little if you want, but keep your eyes locked on your toes. Balance and breathe. Step back and reach for the moon. This is the crescent concentration. Arch your back gently and look at the space between your hands. Imagine there's a ball of glowing jade energy there. Keep your legs strong like tree trunks and your eyes fixed on that magic light. You are powerful, you are calm, and you're focused. Hold it right there. Let's build some hero strength. Get into a straight line like a watchful wolf. Look right down at the floor between your thumbs. Your body might feel heavy, but your mind is light and clear. This pose teaches us to stay focused even when things get a little tough. Keep your back flat and your eyes steady. You are a warrior of focus. Almost there. Let's look ahead, heroes. Bend halfway down and make your back as flat as a bamboo table. This is the peaking panda. Look straight at the horizon. Imagine you're looking through the thick forest to find a secret path. Keep your neck long and your eyes steady. Your focus is your superpower. Can you see the secret? Stay still and watch. Take up space. Stretch your arms and legs wide like a Zen star. Now keep your head perfectly still and move only your eyes. Look up, now right, now down and left. It's like your eyes are drawing a circle around a glowing moon. This makes your eye muscles strong and your brain super alert. You're shining so bright, hero. Keep circling. Even the strongest bamboo bows down to rest. Kneel down and stretch your arms forward. This is the bowing bamboo. Look at the floor right beneath you. Feel the coolness of the ground. This pose helps all that focused energy settle deep into your body. Breathe in the peace of the waterfall and breathe out all your worries. You're doing great. We are almost at the end of our training. Sit tall like a sitting sage. Touch your thumb and first finger together. Now look gently at the very tip of your nose. It might look funny, but it tells your brain to be quiet and calm. You have mastered your focus today. Feel the stillness inside you. You are a true Zen warrior. Just breathe and watch your nose. Close your eyes and lie down. You are now a Zen cloud, floating over the Whispering Waterfall. Your work is done. Your mind is clear, and your body is relaxed. Feel the light of your focus glowing all around you. You can take this focus with you everywhere you go, to school, to play, and to your dreams. Rest now, little hero. Great job today, little yogis. You moved and breathed so well. If you had fun, remember to like and subscribe so you can join our next yoga adventure. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Relax, smile, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, yoga friends.